Welcome to Aztec Washer Company. If you're experiencing problems with leaks, pipes, conduits, cables, and wires that penetrate your metal, residential roofing, or siding, we have your solution. MasterFlash, an answer that ensures you no more leaks. With a minimum of a 20-year warranty. Roof Bend Adapter MasterFlash RBA Standard Application. This installation guide will cover the Roof Bend Adapter RBA MasterFlash. This installation guide will cover the Roof Bend Adapter RVA MasterFlash, designed for turbine bends, roof exhaust vents, metal roof bends, roof caps, and gooseneck air vent applications. The Roof Bend Adapter RVA MasterFlash made of EPDM rubber, with an opening of 11.5 inches by 11.5 inches and is 1/4 inch high with a 24-inch base for exhaust vents. The one-piece flashing allows for a 5 easy step installation and usually takes 5 minutes to install. Roof Bend Adapter MasterFlash materials needed: measuring tape, marker, scissors or snips, drill, master seal bonded washers, fasteners, and sealant. Step 1. Bend the metal vent base corners down to avoid sharp corners. Slide RVA over the vent to the roof surface. Step 2. Form the RVA into any corrugations and outline the base with a marker. Outline the inner opening of the flashing with a marker. Step 3. Apply sealant under the opening to the metal vent base and fasten the RVA with master seal bonded washers and fasteners. For a tight seal, fasteners should be 1 inch to 1.5 inches apart around the entire inner base. Step 4. Apply sealant inside the marked roof surface under the RVA base. Step 5. Complete the installation with master seal bonded washers and fasteners. Fasteners should be 1 inch to 1.5 inches apart around the entire base for a tight, secure seal. Review the installation and apply extra sealant if necessary. Problem solved! Seal it right, seal it tight. Please visit us at www.aztecwasher.com or contact your sales representative at 1-800-927-4375 or info@aztecwasher.com for other quality MasterFlash product. Visit the Pitch Data Calculator app at rpc.aztecwasher.com.